Ready to get your big screen experience up and running? Signing into your streaming service in 2026 is faster than ever. Forget the remote. We're doing this with your phone in under 30 seconds. First, open the app on your smart TV and select the Sign In button. A unique activation code and a QR code will appear on your screen. Keep this window open. Now grab your mobile device. You have two quick options. Option 1. Open your camera and scan that QR code. A link will pop up, tap it, and your phone will automatically carry that code over for you. Option 2. Open your mobile browser and go to the activation URL shown on your TV screen. Simply type in the letters you see on your TV and hit continue. On your phone, confirm the account you want to use and hit allow. Just like that, no typing, no passwords, no hassle. Your TV will refresh and take you straight to your home screen. If the code happens to expire, just go back and hit sign in again for a fresh one. Let's jump into the mobile view so I can show you exactly what that confirmation button looks like.